In this video, we are going to compare two data sets, and we're going to compare the median and the interquartile range of them. So how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to comment on the averages, so in this case the medians. I'm going to comment on the spread, in this case the interquartile range, but I must make sure I'm relating it to the question. Now this question is about delays of airlines. And what do I know? That I know the median delay for Easy Air was 12 minutes. And the median delay for QuickJet was 6 minutes. So on average, the delay was more for Easy Air or less for QuickJet. So that's when I'm going to start my first sentence. So on average, Easy Air had longer delays than QuickJet. Okay, it was 12 minutes to 6 minutes. On average, we can't say that every plane was later, just the average amount. So now I need to come on to the next bit, which is look at the spread. So these are the interquartile range values. So we've got the interquartile range of Easy Air was 3 minutes, but the interquartile range of QuickJet was 7 minutes. So the 7 minutes, the QuickJet, their delays were more spread out, so they were more varied. Okay, so we could also say that the EasyJet delays then were less varied. So my second line is going to be, but Easy Air's delays were less varied. So overall, I'd write on average, and I would start all of my answers with an on average. Easy Air had longer delays than QuickJet, but Easy Air's delays were less varied. There you go, there's your answer.